Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am back with another video. So this video is going to focus on multiplication with decimals. Now, multiplication with decimals is basically the same thing as multiplication with whole numbers, but with an extra step added to it. Excuse the dishes you see there. I got to do a little bit cleaning up. Alright. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to solve a 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication problem with whole numbers, because I'm going to show you how it's exactly the same with one additional step. So 53 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. So I'm going to put a 7 in the ones place, and then I'm going to carry a 2 to the tens place. 5 times 9 equals 45, plus 2 is 47. My answer is 477. Now let's say I want to multiply 5.3 times 9. Instead of 53 times 9, I'm going to multiply 5.3 times 9. I'm going to go about solving this problem the same exact way. I'm going to multiply 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. 7 carry the 2. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 is 47. So I have my answer of 477 again. And then there's one additional step, that one additional step that I talked about. Since we are multiplying 5.3 times 9 instead of 53 times 9, we have to move the decimal point over. When you don't see a decimal, when you do not see a decimal point within a problem, it is to assume that the decimal point is behind all the numbers. So, since in this problem there's a decimal point in between the 5 and the 3, in our answer, we have to line the decimal point up by moving it over 1 in between one of the digits. So we're going to move the decimal point over 1. It's going from behind the 7 to in front of the second 7. And our answer changes from 477 to 47.7. So there you have it. 53 times 9 equals 477. 5.3 times 9 equals 47.7. Same steps, same problem, except when we multiply with decimals, we have one extra step that we have to add at the end. All right, that is my video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. Since someone just popped into the chat, I'm going to do one more problem. I'm going to do one more problem for all of you. All right. Let's say I want to multiply 53 hundredths times 9. Again, I would go about solving this the same exact way. I multiply 3 times 9, I get 27. 7 carry the 2. 5 times 9 equals 45, plus 2 is 47. Now for the extra step. Since the decimal point is in front of 2 of the digits in the problem, I have to move it over 2 places. 1, 2. So now the final answer goes from 477 to 4.77. So 53 hundredths times 9 equals 4 77 hundredths. 5.3 times 9 equals 47 7 tenths. 53 times 9 equals 477. All right. Those are my multiplication problems for today. Have a great rest of the day, everybody. And once again, leave a comment. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if this video was helpful. If there's an area of math or reading that you're struggling with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Good night, everybody.